Assalamualaikum kids. Our today's artwork is horse silhouette. Silhouette is a French word which means the image of a person, object, animal or a scene represented as a solid image of a single color, usually black. The interior of a silhouette is featureless. As you can see, I have painted a horse with no features and silhouette is presented on a light background. So let's get started. Okay, for this artwork we need pencil, black marker, eraser and some paints. I have mixed each color with white paint to make a lighter background. One is a bit dark yellow and one is light yellow. Each color is mixed with white paint, red with white, pink with white and orange with white. We will also use black paint for horse silhouette. First I am going to make a horse outline with 3 fingers gap, and I am making another dot with 2 hands gap. So we have 2 points here. I am going to draw a bit wavy line which is going downside like this, a bit wavy. Don't make big curves. And now from another point I am making a line upward, a bit upward, then we are moving downward in a straight direction like this. Now I am going to draw a big curve, a little big curve like this. Then a smaller curve. And now another curve, a bit larger than the previous one. Now I am drawing a horse ear like this. And now draw a big curve which is moving downward. And straight line. And then a curve. And make a mouth shape of horse. Now I am going to highlight it with black marker. Black marker is visible over the paints, so don't worry if we paint inside the horse. After painting we can see the black outline of horse. So let's use paints. We will start from the lighter tone. I am using light yellow color to draw a sun. I am going to draw a circle shape with this light yellow color. Gradually we will move towards the darker tone. First we will use lighter paints, then we will use darker paints. So I have drawn a circle. Now color outside the circle with light yellow paint. Merge the next color with previous color so that it will look smoother. Now I am doing light orange shade. Now light pink. Now the last one is red paint that is mixed with white color, so it is not that dark. Now I am going to do white color in the sun circle so that it will look prominent. You can also use the white paint later to lighten the shades. Now it's time to use black paint to make the horse silhouette. First we will do outline with black paint using zero size brush. Now I am going to draw grass at the bottom of the page with black paint. Also draw some hair of horse using zero size brush with black paint. Now I am going to give some more shades outside the sun. Now our horse silhouette is ready. I hope you enjoyed this artwork. We will meet in next art session. Goodbye.